following messages has been transmitted to USA government. There's unknown creature of all New York City ability, just only one only sing. Everyone is under attack by Wenda, who is seriously a serial killer or a psychopath killing all New York people. Please stay indoors and close all windows, and cover the cracks on your house down, like damp towels, damp tape. We're gonna be still on air from the news, and return to your normal program with BBC News. If Wenda breaks in your home, hide and immediately. Thank you for your attention.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
The following message is transmitted by the White House government. Recently, Wenda is seriously a psychopath, killing 300 people and or killing with their beats. If you see a Sprunki, run away and hide. Don't try enter any vehicles, such as cars, trucks, vans, because Wenda he's gonna break. Open the window and wait for you drive on and killed. We're gonna be still on air to switch on the news. Thanks for your attention.
The following messages has been transmitted by the White House government and NASA messages. This is by the far of the D end of the world. As we know it, a meteorite heading towards Earth. No one will be able to stop it. Say your final goodbyes on the last moments of Earth. May God protect us from the king.